that memory from PSG will help the players, will help us as a team, that we know that we could turn things around. Of course, Barcelona is here at Nou Camp is a difficult prospect, but the memory from that night will live with the players. It's not that long ago, and we're one goal better off. We can still be in this tie. If we keep a clean sheet, we can still be in the tie in the 93rd minute, because we can get a set piece. We are physically taller than them. We are bigger than them. But it's about the quality, though.